Dedication, skill, and perseverance are the hallmarks of any great team. They are also the words that best describe the employees of the Advanced Mixed Waste Treatment Project. At one time, the retrieval, characterization, treatment, certification, and shipping of 65,000 cubic meters of transuranic and low-level wastes presented a big challenge. Today, employees are on the cusp of meeting the commitment that was made to the citizens of Idaho back in 1995. The work was never easy. The hurdles at times seemed high, but employees always found a way. Whether it was the oversized mound boxes with their high concentrations of fissile isotopes, the radioactive and pyrophoric wastes, the highly degraded waste boxes, or materials that were difficult to characterize, AMWTP workers applied their knowledge and skills to overcome the challenges. That is what great teams do. The AMWTP's mission always had a national significance and importance. Although not part of the weapons complex, the AMWTP dispositioned the waste that was generated during the Cold War, a crucial time in world history where freedom and peace ultimately won the day. Safely dispositioning this waste is the final chapter of the Cold War legacy.
The original intent of the treatment facility was to be a one-stop shop for all transuranic and mixed low-level waste throughout the DOE complex. It has been my great pleasure to be associated with this group of people. They have had many innovations that have helped us be successful, and without them, we could not have met the mission that we did. It is with mixed emotion that I watched the facility be deactivated, but it's been my great honor to be associated with these people in this project.
Innovation has always been a hallmark of the project, from construction to retrieval to waste processing. Special tools were fabricated to both retrieve non-intact waste and better size reduce it once it made its way to the box lines. Many of these innovations were the creations of the employees themselves, which served to increase their efficiency as well as to protect their fellow workers. In addition to its talented workforce, the AMWTP also had the right equipment for the job. The supercompactor was the workhorse of the facility. It successfully crushed more than 250,000 waste drums and freed up precious space at the waste isolation pilot plant. It also eliminated more than 6,000 truck shipments that would have been necessary. The Brock robotic arms were the muscle of the operation, sizing, cutting, and even jackhammering the various waste types that were processed through the box lines. The treatment facility also benefited from a host of automated equipment and processes to complete its work scope. During its tenure, the AMWTP also helped 15 additional facilities around the U.S. disposition their wastes.
I never thought it would be so fulfilling to work here with such specialized equipment. We have super clams for our Brock systems that the employees here have implemented to deal with problematic waste and size reduction. Our employees here at AMWTP have a can-do attitude with an uplifting spirit. If we have work to be done, they find a way to get it done safely and compliantly.
As the AMWTP treatment mission winds down, the facility will continue to build on its outstanding safety record by continuing to ship its remaining waste off-site safely and compliantly. The AMWTP team deserves a tremendous amount of praise and recognition for its years of service, teamwork, and professionalism. Everyone involved, from waste handlers to shippers to radiological protection specialists to administrative professionals, were committed to safely completing the mission.